Welcome to the chapter What is Science? In lower classes, we learned that it is the human brain which has made great inventions such as computers, mobile phones, internet, space shuttles, robotics, hybrid food grains, medicines, etc. This is because scientists look at nature in a different way. Do you know about science and the changes it underwent? How scientists work? How to plan an experiment? What measurements are used to interpret the data? What are the safety rules to be followed in a scientific lab? Let us try to answer these questions and learn more about scientific study. Science makes us understand the world better with backup of research and various experiments done by scientists. Experimentation is a natural process conducted under controlled conditions to find the unknown truths in nature. Questioning is the first step in finding new things. This made us to know about science in different fields. Ecologists observe the terrestrial behavior of bluebirds, whereas geologists tell us about fossils and minerals in Earth's crust. An astrophysicist enables us to see the photographs of distant galaxies. Chemists recorded the reactions of matter at different temperatures, and nuclear physicists made a note of angular momentum of particles in a circular path. Different biologists experimented on the behavior of a particular tissue in various stimulants. Now, let us learn about the need of science. Science is a type of knowledge accumulation to test new ideas. These inventions help people to know the developments in their lives. The need of science varies from individual perspective to societal perspective. Individual perspective. Science is a way of building knowledge about the world and constructing new ideas that illuminate the world around us. Scientists are the ones who discovered the new species of dinosaur or a new model in which atoms bond. New discoveries which enable us to think about nature. They find interest in the discovery of some unknown facts which overturn the accepted ideas. Now, let us look into societal perspective. Science has great impact on every individual as it improves people's lives. Let us observe some examples. Geneticists are discovering new things to understand how certain conditions are passed from one generation to another generation. Biologists are seeking the information about the transmitted diseases in order to improve the lives of ordinary people. Earth scientists are developing better models to predict the weather, earthquakes, landslides, volcanic eruptions, etc. On the other hand, the domain of answers lie in the society's desire for economic development. Let us observe some examples. Many earth scientists find more effective ways to discover or to recover the natural resources like coal or petroleum and ores. Botanists are working to improve the agricultural output that enrich the nations nutritionally. Physicists started developing new phenomena like superconductivity and other similar phenomena which help in economic development. Chemists started developing new chemical substances with potential technological applications. Hence, the societies support science by providing resources to them as the scientific inventions are used for the economic development of the nation.